In a world where healthcare is evolving, Ghana's leading hospital, under the auspices of the Chief Executive, Dr. Y.S. Adam, is taking a bold step, simplifying care delivery one card at a time.
My name is Dr. Franco Suseche. I'm the Director of Medical Affairs of Korle Bu Teaching Hospital. I think we all know where the world is heading towards. Everything is going digital. And there is no reason why Korle Bu should be left out in this digitization account. And traditionally, we used to use folders, but we moved from that to electronic medical record. In Korle Bu, the one we use is called the LIMS. And to enter the LIMS can be a bit challenging, especially when you are dealing with the manual way of entering things. That adds to the long waiting period that patients suffer. And nobody wants that to continue. And that is the reason why we went through, looked at how best we can make things very easy and then seamless for patients so that they can access care within the shortest possible time, go back to do whatever they were doing. And one of the things that we came out with is this digital card. So this card, all we need to do is to scan it, and then it takes us straight into your medical records. We transact business, and then we log out. The other thing is, if this drops, first it was just your number on a laminated sheet of paper that probably won't be able to stand the test of time. And the benefit of this cannot be quantified. And that's the reason why we're encouraging everybody to move on to the electronic way of assessing it, the digital card. And so all should sign onto it, so that together we can reduce the waiting period, increase the quality of service that we offer to our clients. So please, go for the digital card.
The old system was limited. Cards were easily damaged, manually filled, and couldn't be used elsewhere. But the new card is different. Barcoded, secure, and digitally integrated with LIMS, the National Health Database.
So my name is Grace Anyomi. I am the Director of Nursing and Midwifery Service. This is a new identification that is very durable, and also it has a barcode that enables the patient access the LIMS anywhere in the country, which means that it doesn't really matter where you are. Once you are sick and you have your ID card, you can access care in any area in Ghana. It is because it is integrated into the LIMS system. So I want to entreat every patient and every client in the hospital to get this new ID card. So this is the way to go, the new Korle Bu Patient ID card. I believe when you join us in this way, you will get better services in the hospital.
The result, a faster error-free experience from check-in to consultation.
This system reduces registration errors, speeds up patient flow, and takes away the burden of manual OPD entries. It is easy to use. This new card is helping us serve our patients better and faster. Inti na mpesa mi training nyina ne say, card for ya ma yarefo a wo ba Korle Bu, eboa ma hyehyɛ ye contentem.
Ite la chamo is short. If it shika, kebe, chini wo here no ke ba Korle Bu Teaching Hospital e. Oni penny fe peji, iskani, minti. Korle Bu Teaching Hospital new card there, and you are denche.
One card, nationwide care, powered by Ghana's premier hospital, Korle Bu Teaching Hospital.